Let us see exercise 13.1 question 3. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5. Find the total surface area of the toy. Now here if you see, toy is on the hemisphere. Cone is mounted on hemisphere. Total height of the toy is 15.5. Now hemisphere's radius is 3.5. So its deepness or its height, whatever you say, that is also 3.5. So 15.5 minus 3.5, when you subtract this height, we will get height of the cone. So 15.5 minus 3.5, so height of the conical part is 12. Now after finding first of all heights, let us see height. Here height of the cone is total height of the toy minus height of hemisphere. So 15.5 minus 3.5, it is 12. Now we want to find total surface area of toy. Now if you observe toy from outside, it will look like this, conical shape and below hemisphere. So formula is pi RL of conical part plus hemisphere 2 pi r square. We have to add these two answers, but we don't know L. We are knowing height, we are knowing radius, but we don't know what is slant height. So first of all, this is 12, which is height. This is radius, which is 3.5. So we have to find slant height. So if you see, this is right angle triangle. So as per Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to h square plus r square. So using L square is equal to h square plus r square formula, height is 12 centimeters, so 12 square plus radius is 3.5 square. 12 square is 145, 3.5 square is 12.25. When you add this two, it is 156.25, which is L square. But to find L, we have to take out square root of 156.25. So when using division method, when you will find square root, your answer is 12.5. So slant height is 12.5. As we know, we want to find TSA of this toy. It contains curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So surface area of toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. That means pi RL plus 2 pi r square. You can solve this both separately and then add, or you can take out common. Taking out common will be more easy, so better if you understand, take out common. You can see here pi r, here also pi r is there. Radius of both figure is same, so we can take out pi r common. So if I will take out pi r common, here L will remain, and from here pi r, so 2, and r is for 2 times, 1 r is common, so another r will be here. So in bracket L plus 2r. Let us substitute values. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 3.5, so we can write 35 by 10. 7 5s are 35. Slant height is 12.5, we found right now. And 2 times radius, so 2 into 3.5, it is 7. If you add this to 12.5 plus 7 will give you 19.5, and here 22 into 5 upon 10. 22 into 5, it is 110 upon 10. 10 10 cancel. So 11 into 19.5. So answer is 214.5 centimeter square. That means CSA, total surface area of the toy, is 214.5 centimeter square.